Hi, this particular video session is to explain the feature called customer subscription. So you straight away have to go to the panel where the customer subscription option is there. So just toggle this on, add a plan accordingly. I have already added a plan, so I'll show you the how to add a plan basically. Just a second. Yeah. So this is the form where you'll have to fill in the information regarding the subscription plan. So give it a name, let's say 1, and enter an amount 600. Enter a duration for the subscription plan 7 8, let's say 7 days. Number of orders he can make in that particular subscription under that particular subscription plan. So let's say he can just make 2 orders, and the number of times you would like to remind your customer for renewing the current subscription plan. Let's say I want to send him one reminder. If you want to put in some description, just add it, add a picture, and then that's it. So this particular button which says auto assign will not allow any user to log in or proceed further unless he is actually subscribing for that particular subscription plan. So this is how you put in the information to add a subscription plan, and then you just add it. So I have already done a setup for these particular subscription plans, which is this one, silver one. So now this particular part is done in terms of the admin. Now I'll show you how it looks up on in terms of the customer. So I'll simply log in. Sign up. Once this is done, what you will see is uh, the current plan which is active, and then you cannot proceed unless you choose this plan and pay for it. Alright, so I hope this particular video helps. If in case you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.